prayer be present to God as He entered today's duties to guard and strengthen us. O God, all knowledge is in you. Research studies, strengthen our memory and direct our towards what is right. Grant us the grace to seek the truth always and make us to devise. Let us all our Lord's Prayer. Our Father, what in heaven, there will be the name. They will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, and we forgive those who trespass against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
Bible reading. The reading from book of Philippians chapter 4 verses 4. Rejoice in the Lord always. I will say it again, rejoice. The word of Lord. Thanks be to God.
My name is Soumya. I am staying first standard. I am going to say one little bird singing I love you. One little bird, one little parrot singing I love you. One more joins and making them two. Two little parrot resting on the tree. One more joins and making them three. Three little parrot looking for more. One more joins and making them four. Four little parrot wanting to die. One more joins and making them five. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Stephen Mario. I am studying in first standard. Today thought, life is a miracle, every day is a gift. Thank you. வணக்கம். இன்றைய திருக்குறள். அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு. பொருள், எழுத்துக்கள் எல்லாம் அகரத்தை அடிப்படையாக கொண்டிருக்கின்றது. அதுபோல உலகம் கடவுளை அடிப்படையாக கொண்டிருக்கின்றது. மீண்டும் குறள். அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு. நன்றி, வணக்கம். Good morning to all. I am Ray Aaron of class 1. I am going to deliver a speech on prayer. Prayer will give us courage to face all the challenges of life. It is the way of freeing us by giving our worries to God the Almighty. So, let us never forget to pray. Thank you.